Hey guys, Travis here from ChordBuddy, and going to do a John Mayer song for you right now. John Mayer, M-A-Y-E-R, and this is coming out of our book, Pop Hits. Is this a number? No, just Pop Hits. And I've got all these great songs in it. Body Like a Back Road by Sam Hunt, Call Me Maybe, Can't Feel My Face, The Weekend, Chasing Cars, Snow Patrol, Cruise, Florida Georgia Line. Guys, I mean, hit after hit after hit in here. Thunder by Imagine Dragons, You Somebody, Kings of Leon. Brady, you got some good songs in here. Thank you. Brady picked every song that goes in here. Thank you, Brady. So right now we're going to do Love on the Weekend. It only has 3 chords, D, C, and D. And I'm not going to be using a pick on this one. I'm going to use my thumb, and I'm going to be using the pop strum. Put that back on there, please, sweetheart. Brady is my daughter, and she is the reason that ChordBuddy exists. Stick your head in right there and just say hey to everybody. And she's the one that said, Daddy, invent that for me. And that's why you're here, and that's why I'm here right now. So, and Brady's been working with ChordBuddy now going on 3 years. 3 years. She does all our shipping here. I would say she's head of the shipping department, but she is the shipping department. So all right, here we go. So this is a pop strum. If we remember, it's down, down, up, down. So that's the pop strum, or a very, very, very close variant of it that I teach in the Brown book, in the lesson plan, okay? And also, you know, you can go to our website under the homepage DVD lessons, click on the first tab for guitar, second tab for ukulele, and you can see our how-to videos there, okay? All right, so here we go. And the intro's got this thing that goes, dun, 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 dun. So I'm just going to do that with my voice. 2, 3, 4. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. First time I've ever sang this, guys. So it's the Friday, we finally made it. I can't believe I get to see your face. You've been working and I've been waiting to pick you up and take you from this place. Love on a weekend, love on a weekend, only weekend, like only weekend. Love on a weekend, love on a weekend. I come in and I'm loving every minute of it. So that's just the way it goes. That was the second verse going in, but it's the same thing. It's the verse, chorus, verse, interlude, verse, chorus, all that. So that is Love on the Weekend by John Mayer. It only uses 3 chords. Everybody always asks me, well, what are you playing? Well, here's what I'm playing. I'm playing a Perry guitar. It is designed by us here in Dothan at ChordBuddy. These guitars are made to our dimensions. This is what we call our youth guitar. It's a full scale guitar, but it's a smaller body. It is almost a 3/4 size body, or as close to it as we can get for them to still put a full scale neck, so ChordBuddy will work on it. But this is a Perry guitar, actually, and we make 3 different kinds of ChordBuddies. This is the standard ChordBuddy for right-handed. If you strum with your right hand, get a right-handed. If you have a standard guitar, but it's a left-handed, meaning you strum with your left hand, then you will get a left-handed ChordBuddy. If you have a classical guitar. So this is a classical. It's got 3 metal strings and then 3 nylon. See those? That's called catgut or nylon. And then the headstock has these 2 slits in it versus a solid headstock, a solid piece of wood, like this right here. See the difference? Okay. All right. So, and we also have a classical ChordBuddy for that. All right. Well, that's what I wanted to tell you. So you can get this book on our website, ChordBuddy.com. We have great books on there. In fact, we're adding accessories almost daily. We've got a pick key ring, and we've got a pick bracelet, and we've got a pick holder necklace that will be on our website this coming week. So please check out our accessories. Thank you.